For many people, tea bags are a one-use item. One bag equals 1 cup of tea. But tea bags are not just for tea. There are so many different ways to reuse a tea bag. Instead of throwing away your used tea bags and loose leaf tea grounds, consider using them on your garden, landscape, and house plants. Tea grounds act as a fertilizer and help to improve the plant's growth, overall health, and vigor. Keep watching to learn why you might want to bury those tea bags instead of tossing them in the trash. Number 1. Make natural compost. This may be the simplest use of used tea bags. Tea bags are great to add to compost because they add nitrogen to the compost and also attract good bacteria. But before you toss your used tea bags into the compost pile, make sure they are not made up of plastic. If they are of plastic, slit open the bag and use tea leaves for composting. Number 2. Use tea bags as fertilizer. Not only can you compost tea bags as fertilizer in the compost pile, but loose leaf teas and compostable tea bags may be dug in around plants. Using tea bags in compost adds that nitrogen-rich component to the compost, balancing the carbon-rich materials. After steeping each successive cup or pot of tea, add the cool tea bags or leaves to the compost bucket, where you keep food waste until ready to place in outdoor composting area or bin. Then proceed to dump the bucket into the compost area, or if composting in a worm bin, dump the bucket in and cover lightly. Number 3. Repel pests. If you're looking for a non-toxic way to repel pests, your used tea bags can help you. Simply brew a weak tea with old bags and use it to water your plants and also sprinkle on leaves. It is really a great organic way to deter pests and fungal diseases and also provide plants some nutrition in doing so. Number 4. Prepare planter for potting. For healthier potted plants, place a few used tea bags on top of the drainage layer at the bottom of the planter before potting. The tea bags will retain water and leach nutrients to the soil. Number 5. Tea bags for rose. Use fresh and used tea grounds only on acid-loving plants, such as rose bushes and ferns. The natural tannic acid inside tea leaves leaches into the soil with rainwater as tea grounds decompose, thereby lowering the soil's pH and increasing acidity. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.